So it's been a while now that I have a problem with like three games that I used to play, and one of them is DCU as DC Universe Online. The second one is For Honor, and the third one is the Division 2. So basically, on DC Universe Online, my problem started when I was basically one day I just went back to my HQ, which is kind of like your personal home. And once I disconnected, the next day I came back, I logged in, I spawned in my HQ, and when I wanted to go out, every time I get disconnection. First, I thought it was a connection, the internet problem or something like that, or maybe I thought the server was shut down for some upgrades, and it wasn't that. I even think about the fact that maybe my system requirement isn't enough anymore. So I was thinking about upgrading all of my UC components, and it wasn't that either. And it was the same thing with For Honor. For Honor, I used to play without any problem at all. If there was a problem, maybe is sometimes the connection is bad and I had some loss of packets. But else than that, I didn't have disconnection. And I started having them. It's about like 3 years right now. It's been 3 years, and I had the same problem. I get disconnected. I play like 2 or 3 matches, maximum 3 matches, and I just get disconnected. And when I get disconnected, I get penalties too. So I have to wait like some few minutes before starting the game again. And every time I restarted the game, it's the same thing. Like you play 2 matches or maybe even 1 match, and then you just get disconnected, which I didn't have in the beginning when I started playing the game. So it was frustrating. Same thing with the Division 2. The Division 2, I played the game the first day of launch. I loved it and I still love it. But I started having disconnections, and it's like 2 years from now. I started having some disconnection. You play. First, I thought it was a solo problem, but no. At first, I thought it was a connection problem, but it wasn't. Then I thought about my system requirement if I really have the component to play this game, and I upgraded too, but it didn't change anything. Every time I get disconnected, if I'm in a group, I get disconnected. If I'm the group leader, I get disconnected. If I play solo, I get disconnected. Like I always get disconnected like 3 or 5 minutes from there, and I looked for a solution for the tree since 2 years, and I never really got the solution. So recently, I was just like, okay, why not try to dig in a little bit to see if I didn't do something, like if there's another solution to it. And that's where we are today. That's why I'm making this video, because I know some of you out there have the same problem as me. Some of you have even given up on some of those games out there that you're playing just because you didn't find the solution. You give it up and you're like, if it's not working, then yeah, it's a dumb game. Well, maybe, I'm just saying, maybe this is a solution for you. And basically, basically the solution is what is to turn off your IPv6 in your internet settings, because generally you have the IPv4 and the IPv6, both of them are enabled, and generally the games take on the IPv6 addresses so that you can play online. but sometimes the game works better on IPv4. So the solution is to turn off the IPv6. You have to disable the IPv6 and restart your machine. You disable the IPv6, you restart the machine, and you play with the IPv4 active only. And it worked for me. It worked for me the first time when I did it. For Honor, I didn't have any problems at all. Like last weekend, I played For Honor like I never had a problem before. I was shocked that this was my solution. After 3 years, I'm shocked that this is my solution. I'm shocked that I was looking for it so much and this was the solution. Something so simple. Something so simple. And for you guys who don't know how to do this, I'm gonna show you how to proceed right now so that you can try it out. It's not gonna change anything on your PC. It's not gonna break any process on your PC. You try it out. If it doesn't work, you do the process again and you activate your IPv6 and hopefully you find a better solution. So right now I'm just gonna show you how you're gonna deactivate your IPv6. So you're on your Windows, and right now I'm on Windows 10. So you're gonna click on the Windows icon here and you're gonna write on panel. Okay, you're gonna write on panel. When you write panel, you're gonna see control panel. Either you write control panel or you write panel. But where we're going here is the control panel. So you click on the control panel. So I'm gonna make it bigger here. So right now we have this menu. If you don't have exactly what I have on screen, you come up here where it's written view by, you click it and you check on the large icon. If I put the small icon, it's gonna be small like this. If I put on categories, you're gonna have this. So make sure you have it on large icon. Now we have the large icon and we're going here, network and sharing center. This is where we're gonna do the magic. You click on it and you will have your Wi-Fi. Make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi before doing this. So you'll have your Wi-Fi here and I'm gonna click on mine's. That's exactly what you're gonna do too. You click on yours and you go to the properties. Okay, that's where we're gonna change everything. Under properties, you're gonna see here there's Internet Protocol version 4 and just under it there's Internet Protocol version 6. This is the one we're gonna deactivate. So you just click on it and you deactivate it. After that you just do OK, and you get out of it. After that you just restart your PC. Okay, you restart your PC and you try the game. If it works, I will be glad for you. If it doesn't work, there's not a problem. You just come back here and do the same process and put back on the Internet Protocol version 6 and hopefully you find another solution. But this one worked for me, guaranteed, and I hope it will help you too. Peace.